There goes the waste. Maybe I could turn it on the lathe. So let me show you what I got so far. Yes, I am using tree parts because this is a temporary structure. I know I said it several times. Backed it up with some angle pieces here to make it more rigid. And as I build it out, I'm gonna step back. I'm thinking about putting a support beam offset instead of right on the same line like this, like that, maybe in between to kind of offset some of the pressure. But let me know, do you want to put them right on each beam or offset? Which one is better? Bring you in close. I didn't fasten one side yet on both sides, so I have to fasten this side and the flip side down here to this beam right here. Okay, so this is the end of what I ended up with. Like I said, you always use what wood you can use. This is more than sufficient to support me. So I am going to add some cordage to it just to make it extra secure. Now, Once I get it up, I'm gonna add more cross beams to it, maybe like 2 or 3 more, and then it should be sturdy enough. Come on over here closer so I can point something out. Like over here, the joints are not as good, but this is gonna be sturdy enough. I just gotta hit that in with the nail. But like I said, overall, I just did 45-degree angles at each point. And like I said, I'm gonna tear this down. I'm gonna be tearing this down and reusing it for something else. So that's why I didn't really cut. I try to keep as much length on the legs as possible. Okay, that's a pretty good view. You can see kind of how the patio cover is developing, but let me see if I can get this up and erected before the video ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get it up, but that's all I got for today. So we made a good stopping point, and we'll see if we get some cordage on it, on each joint, you know, to make extra tight. And I think this will be good enough to go ahead and get the roof done. So I appreciate you tuning in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And also, if you have any questions about the project, hit me in the comment section below.